Welcome to part 2. I hope you found part 1 useful. We reviewed how ideas about our solar system have changed from the geocentric to the heliocentric model, along with a recap of the various different telescopes and space probes that are used. So if you haven't watched it yet, check it out. This video is going to focus on our place in the universe and the theories about the origins of the universe. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a galaxy, a collection of stars to which our sun belongs. The universe is made up from lots of galaxies. But our universe is expanding. Edwin Hubble provided evidence of redshift. That was in the 1920s. It shows us that galaxies are moving away from each other, and that more distant objects are moving away from us faster than closer ones. If you need to review the ideas of redshift in more detail, why not go back and watch my video specially on that topic. There were two main theories about the origin of the universe: the steady state, suggested in 1948, and the Big Bang theory, which was first suggested in the 1920s. So the first theory that was suggested was the Big Bang theory, that 15 billion years ago the universe was concentrated to one point, a tiny, extremely hot and dense point of energy called a singularity, which released huge amounts of radiation and then cooled, forming atoms which gravity caused to clump together to form stars and galaxies. The observations of redshift can be explained with the Big Bang theory because this theory says that the universe is still expanding from that point today. But then, in 1948, another theory was proposed that also explained the redshift evidence too: the steady state theory. This theory believed that the universe has always existed and it's expanding. Matter is continuously being created throughout the space. So, although it's expanding, the overall density of the universe remains constant. So, redshift provides evidence for both theories. And it wasn't until the 1960s that the Big Bang theory was upheld as the better theory. So what happened in 1964? CMB radiation was discovered, cosmic microwave background radiation. It was discovered by two radio astronomers who were building a radio telescope. They detected microwave signals coming from all over the sky, and at first they thought it was a fault in their equipment. In fact, they tried everything to correct it, even cleaning pigeon droppings out of the antennae. But eventually they realised the signals were real and that they were coming from outside the galaxy. The steady state theory could not explain this CMB radiation, but the Big Bang theory had predicted its existence. The Big Bang theory says that huge amounts of radiation would have been released at the beginning of the universe. Because the universe is expanding, the wavelength of this radiation has increased, and so now it's only detectable as microwave radiation. CMB, cosmic microwave background radiation. And so, the current theory for the origin of our universe is the Big Bang theory, with both redshift and CMB as evidence for it. I hope the revision has been useful to you, and I wish my current Year 11s the very best of luck with their P1 exam that's coming up very soon. Keep revising, because you know that
Regular review gets a better grade for you.
Don't forget to
Like,
so that I can keep making the videos.
comment,
Especially to request other revision topics,
subscribe.
so you can get notifications of when my next video gets uploaded.